Hello everyone. In today's video, we are gonna go a little deeper in the price action, and as you probably already know, we're gonna be talking about the Japanese candlesticks and the secrets of the Japanese candlesticks. We were making a lot of videos, how we trade and where we are entering the trade, where we exiting the trade, and stuff like this. But we got quite a lot emails from people asking us, to explain little more about, what exactly the candlesticks are, and how they form and the whole idea behind them. So this is pretty much what we're gonna be talking today. It's gonna be more like a lesson. We'll see if we get some good opportunity to enter a quick trade or stuff like this. But let's see. Let's now start and focus on the candlesticks. And by the way, before we start, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, you can go ahead and subscribe and smash that like button. You can support us. That really motivates us, to keep making more valuable videos, and I really hope you enjoy them, and I hope they really help you in your trading. So we can make more and more videos. But now let's start talking about the candlesticks. We're gonna be starting with the engulfing candle. I'm sure if you watched our previous videos, you're already familiar with the engulfing candle, but now we wanna explain a little more about it, and what exactly is, why we like to trade, and stuff like this. And you can see here where my cursor is, the green candle. Engulfing candle, what does that mean? So the previous candle has to be smaller than the next one. As the example right here, you can see the green one, and then you can see the red one, how the red one engulfs the green one. This one is not perfect. As you can see, that was a good example actually, because the next candle was bearish as well. It was a nice trade that we could have profited from. But this is not the ideal engulfing candle we would like to see, and the reason for that, you can see this big wick. So the big wick that we got, we don't want to trade that. We don't want to see that, because this is a little riskier. We want to see a full and nice body without any wicks. I mean, or it's possible to have wicks, but to be on the upside. So we want to close and see like right here. You can see after the engulfing candle, we got this big bearish candle. So we are actually gonna enter a trade here, and this guys. This is something that you're gonna be able to do when you get some experience, because we're a little far from the engulfing candle. So we should have entered on the small candle that engulfed the previous one, and we could have collect the profit. And as you can see, we're getting out this trade right away. So we collect the small profits, and we're out of the trade. The reason for that is you can see this huge candle. So there is a lot of volatility on the market right now, and we don't want to stay for a long time in the market. In this case, you can see, by the way, we're on GBP USD on a 1 hour chart, and we're actually near previous bottom. And also, as I said, there is a volatility on the market, so the price could just go back right away. And as I said, we are far from this engulfing candle. We got a nice movement, so if we were to enter a trade over there, we could have kept this, and the risk to reward ratio was gonna be even more than 1 to 3. This is what we typically go for, but that was gonna be more like 1 to 4 or 1 to 5. So it was gonna be a beautiful trade, but as I said, we entered a little later than we were supposed to. But still, we were able to collect some profits, which is the most important thing. Now, keep in mind that you're not gonna trade every single engulfing candle that you see on the chart, because there's gonna be plenty of engulfing candles that you're gonna see, and after that, if you just straight trade only the engulfing candle, that's not gonna work, guys. You always have to confirm, as we like to say in our previous videos. We like to have as much as the more signals we have in our direction, the better the signal is, when we are more confident in this. But this one right here, this is a great example. This is the best actually example that we have right here. So basically that's why we're focusing on this one. And by the way, this is as you can see, a live chart. So we're not showing you, I'm not scrolling back and showing you just the perfect engulfing candles. So that's what we have, but this one, it's pretty much perfect. So I really actually like this one and I enjoy it. So that's why we actually got lucky to be able to show you this candle right here. So what I like to suggest you is to just simply go and try to find them. So what we would like to suggest here is just, if you want to practice them, just open a random chart and scroll back and try to look for them. For example, you can see here those 3 bearish candles. This is a beautiful example of a nice engulfing candle, as you see the one right here as well, but it has a big wick. So try to stay away from those with the big wicks. And also when you browse in your charts or search for engulfing candle, you're gonna start noticing the difference between the candles. As you can see, we are in an uptrend here. So we have the engulfing candle here, and also over there it was a quite good correction here with the engulfing candle and those three bearish candles. So that was a beautiful trade, but keep in mind this is on an uptrend, and then you can see we're kind of here on a downtrend. It's not the perfect downtrend, but you can see still the difference. There is no on the second candle, you see how nicely it closed, and you can see the difference with the previous two. So you're gonna start noticing those stuff, when you find an engulfing candle, and if you try to do a contra trade, that means on an uptrend to try to short the market, or vice versa, if you try to go long on a downtrend. There is gonna be a big difference, and when you start looking for those engulfing candles, your eyes gonna be trained, so you're gonna be seeing them right away. And not just that, but it's gonna be simple for you to recognize which one is good and which one you would like to stay away from. But basically this is how the big banks and the traders that have a lot of experience trade, they like to keep their charts pretty simple. Of course, there is some indicators that we use as a filter, because you cannot just as I said, trade every single engulfing candle, or when you see price action or formation or something, you always need to filter, because not every signal is gonna be good, so you need a confirmation for this signal. But once you start recognizing the patterns, some of the candlesticks, as the engulfing candle we're talking about today, it's gonna be much easier for you. And we're gonna be showing actual trades and how we filter those trades, so it's gonna be easier for you to see what we're looking for and which engulfing candle is good to be traded and which one we'd like to stay away from. So you really are gonna be guide very well on what to trade and what to stay away from. And as I said, just try and train your eye. Just pick a random chart, go back, close your eyes, scroll back, and then just try to move forward, and just try to guess whether the movement is gonna be up or down, and train your eye to recognize those candles. And we're gonna be adding more and more into your trading. and more filters and other patterns and other candlesticks and other formations. So you'll be pretty confident when you start trading them. That was everything for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I really hope that you're gonna be able to, to start recognizing those engulfing candles, and it's gonna be easier for you. And the next video we make, we're gonna be adding some more into your trading. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe and smash the like button. That gives us actually confidence, and it really means the word. That means that we're making good videos, so we really appreciate. And this is basically our feedback from you. When you like our videos and subscribe to our channel, or leave a nice comment, or even, if it's a bad comment, it's okay too. We just want a feedback from you, and see what we can do better, or explain something more if you want. But that was everything. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.